Bitcoin in the overall market is falling hard. And can you take a wild guess on who is bidding the dip?
You're outie, you're outie, you're outie, you're outie.
This may present itself as a buy the dip opportunity, but then again, we may have some more pain ahead. I'm here to discuss some very important indicators as well as market sentiment so that you can make the best move. Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Compass, your guide to everything crypto. Today I'm going to start with the overall price of Bitcoin and how it has been in a downtrend. Ever since the start of the year, we have just been dipping lower and lower. And you know that means that these altcoins are getting absolutely destroyed. What happened in the market is that we initially ran up with the expectation of Trump coming into office being a pro-crypto president. But the market had already priced that in before he came into office. That's why we ran so hard in the last quarter of 2024. That's when Bitcoin put in the high of over $100,000. And since then, it's only been blood, with Bitcoin coming into the 80,000 level. I'm not here to scare you, but I do want to let you know that it's very possible that we dip down to the 70,000 level. Now, is this normal in bull markets? The short answer is yes. In a normal bull market, we see many dips of 20 to 30%, and these are just normal corrections. And they are often followed by much higher rips that take out these discounted prices easy. If you look at the overall sentiment, especially on X, absolutely everybody is bearish. And we are seeing a lot of blood on the streets. So this could be a great time to DCA or dollar cost average into your assets that you want to build for the long term. And those could be assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Link. And of course, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you based on my experience in many bull markets. Normally, you want to get very bullish when everybody is very bearish. One fun indicator to look at is when McDonald's brings their McRib onto their menu, and when they leave it off, it actually has some effect on the Bitcoin price. Of course, there is no relation at all between the actual McRib and Bitcoin, but historically, if you look at the trend, whenever the McRib leaves the menu, that's when the Bitcoin price rips. And I'm sure you can guess what just happened. On a more serious note, a lot of this downtrend is caused by the tariffs that President Trump is imposing. He has already implemented tariffs on Canada and Mexico, and now he is targeting the EU. I wouldn't be surprised if we see more countries in this category, and overall that brings the macro trend down. Even the stock market hit an all-time high just recently, but since then it has been pulling back those gains. So the point I'm trying to make here is that no market is immune to this. Looking at different patterns, you would think that Bitcoin is finally putting in a bottom and we may have a spring reaction up. But if we are being completely honest, we have not had substantial volume come into the price for the bulls to take over. Right now, as of this moment, the bears are in control. Another famous indicator that we have looked at on this channel is the fear and greed index. And most of the time when the indicator is moving towards fear, that's when you want to buy. And as of this moment, we are at one of the highest fear points of this cycle. Some positive outlook is that a lot of people are calling for the continuation of this bull market. Eric Trump, who is Donald Trump's son, is telling you to buy the dip. And even CZ, who is the CEO of Binance, is telling you this is only a pullback. Another factor that is currently spooking investors is the hack of the major exchange Bybit. Their multi-sig wallet got hacked and most of their Ethereum left the exchange and went off to the hackers' wallets. Currently, they have put out a bounty reward for these funds to be recovered. At the end of the day, you have to remember, if it's not your keys, it's not your wallet. And that just means if you're not on a decentralized wallet, then your funds can always easily be compromised on on exchanges. Obviously, when Bitcoin retreats in price, a lot of these other coins follow. And I'm talking more about the majors. I'm speaking specifically about lower cap altcoins. One coin in particular that I'm speaking about is the Outie coin that's based off the very popular TV show Severance. I'm not here to promote what's going on, but I'm just showing you coins that are currently outperforming. And we recently saw a run up of this coin because literally everyone is posting it, and even the official X account tweeted about it. On top of that, we are seeing major companies reference it, and it just seems to get bigger and bigger. Now, this could be a great indicator of volume starting to come back into the market. We even saw a huge increase in spot Bitcoin ETF volume. Looking at all this data combined, we can confidently predict that eventually the market will recover. Of course, nothing is guaranteed, but you can position yourself accordingly for that risk and reward. And if you're confused about what play to get in or how to even research these coins, then you can reach out to me and I can get you set up in my coaching program. I will sit down with you one-on-one and I can break down my strategy and show it all to you. And let's not forget that I'm putting videos out like this every single week, no matter what the price of Bitcoin is. So if you like what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell button so you don't miss another one of my videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.